Okay, what is the Elementor importance? Why is it used in blogging? Elementor.
Yeah, Elementor is a first of all one WordPress plugin. So like we add inserter, rank math, whatever like that. It's a WordPress. Elementor is a WordPress plugin which is used to build a landing pages or beautiful pages. The advantage of the Elementor plugin is we can build the beautiful pages using the Elementor.
Okay.
We can design
Okay.
our home. We can design our home pages in blog, and we can design blog posts. We can design pages, and we can create landing pages also using the Elementor. The main advantage of the Elementor is we can build websites without any coding knowledge. Okay, sir. We can build the websites. Websites in the means amazing websites. We can build the amazing websites using the Elementor without any coding knowledge. If you don't have the coding knowledge of HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, still you can create amazing website, beautiful websites with the help of Elementor. It is a drag and drop. Just you have to, whatever the functionality you want, you have to drag and drop that particular element. It's a drag and drop plugin. Okay, sir.
Okay.
So for bloggers it will be used as, yeah, you can continue, sir. You can continue.
Is it free?
Yeah, it is free version also available, pro version also available. Both. If you want some premium options. What, sir?
Can beginner blogger use it? Can be able to use it, beginner?
Yeah, beginner also can use it. Beginner also can use it.
Okay.
For beginners, mostly free version is sufficient. If you want to advanced functionalities, you can go for premium version.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. You have cleared about Elementor for the beginners like me. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Sir, one more.